I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for joining me for this video where we're looking here at this compound and we have to name it properly. How do we name it? When you're naming a compound, you're worrying about the alphabetical order. You're also worrying about the numerical order. You would start here with the numerical order first. You want to number the benzene ring. You see benzene ring here in such a way that the items which are sticking off that benzene, and there are 4 of those, they would have the lowest numbers, but you want to make sure that the lowest numbers are given to the items with the highest priority. There's a lot of things I'm saying, but when you look at it, you have amino group, a ether group, which is methoxy, you have an amino group and a chlorine group. You want to number them with the lowest numbers. From all of these, in terms of the numbering, the amino group has the highest precedence, then the methoxy, and then the chlorine at the end. But now you want to number them with the lowest digits involved. If you start from here 1 and then you go in this direction, then you're bringing in larger numbers for your 4 items sticking off. However, you know that amino has to be numbered first, so you start from here 1, then you go in this order. This becomes 2, this becomes 3, that's 4, that's 5, this point here is 6. Now you have a good numbering system, and the only thing you worry about now is the alphabetical order. The alphabetical order, once it's determined, will lead you to the name of this. Remember, it's benzene. You have 6 vertices and you have 4 items sticking off those vertices. We have determined we have amino groups, but we have 2 of those, so we are looking here at a diamino, meaning 2 amino groups. We have a methoxy group, which is OCH3, so we're worrying about that. And the only reason why I'm writing them down is because it would help in terms of the alphabetical order. There's a D, there's an M, there's a C. You're not looking at the A for the amino, you're looking at the D, because there are 2 of those who became diaminos. So the letter, you're looking at D, not A. You have to keep all of this in mind. There'll be 2 names you'll come up with this compound. One will be a good name, one will be the best name. We will look at both of those. You have to name them such that you're alphabetically now writing the name. The numbering system was done. That's only to give the items the smallest numbers, but the alphabetical order will have the precedence. In terms of C, D, and M, this is the priority alphabetically, and it's on number 5. So we will say here 5-chloro, and that's part of your name. Now I'm looking here at a diamino, and I know it's 1 and 3, then I can say 1 and 3 diamino. I'm showing you a good name, but not the best name first. Then I have the methoxy. I've done C, D, and M alphabetically, and this will be 2 methoxy benzene. So we have this right here is a good name, but the best name is what I will show you next, and let's do that, and we'll post that for you right here. And that'll be it for this video. We're just looking at the naming of this compound. Now look, nothing changes except for this item right here. This is the only item which can be shuffled around in terms of the name, and I will show you what I mean. We can have this as our best name, 5-chloro, then I have 2-methoxy. Now look what I'll do over here. I'll do 1, 3 benzene, and in one word benzene I'll say diamine, meaning 2 amines. No more diamino but diamine, and I know my 2 amine groups are on 1 and 3 on benzene. So how about this? 5-chloro, 2-methoxy, 1,3 benzene diamine, and this right here is perhaps the best name. That's a good name, but that right there is the best name. And with that, our video comes to an end. Thank you.